So this is Cool Trains in Montreal, and I'm at the Vermont and Essex Model Railroad, and I just wanted to show some of the rolling stock that they have here at their large yard. Some of these buildings are as yet unfinished, but they still look very impressive. So we have a Canadian National Point St. Charles type van, not quite exactly the traditional van with the large windows. And I recognize some of these buildings. The one in the back is an Atlas kit. What they've done is they're taking the kits and making them into flats. So we have a lot of cars in this yard. These are CN GP40-2Ws. Really like this load on this flat car. It's really cool. These were early containers, 20-foot containers just on flat cars. This is what preceded double stacks that we have today. And here we have some really nice locomotives. That's an Elco RS11 or an RS18. And here's a typical rebuilt CP van.
Ah, Vincent, il y a quelqu'un qui a viré l'aiguillage, je vais te la virer, ok?